What happened? Let me see. I'll get it started for you. Let me see it. Let me see it. Or let me hold it. Can I hold it, please? Well, I'll show you if you hand it to me. Kill it. Kill him. You gotta kill him, look.
Pappy, do it.
He did it. He did a good, bad job. Kill it.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. It's off.
Don't touch that one. He'll sting you. Are you not gonna kill him? You're about to lose. You wanna play another game? What kind of game do you want to play? You want to dress up a cat?
Go. Go.
Tina?
Welcome to Kitty Cat Pet. Dress up and play. Select your kitty.
Kitty.
Welcome to Kitty Cat Pet. Dress up and play. Select your
No.
kitten.
They want money from you. Don't touch that.
It's ice. It's ice.
Hmm?
It's ice.
You want to doodle? Want to draw? Draw a pretty picture.
Okay.
Draw a pretty picture. Oh, wait. I'm going to say... Click on one of the flowers. Which flower do you like? Which flower? Or a star? Which one?
Oh.
Which one? Pick one. Pick the star.